Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a resume using a most widely known website called Canva. I'm sure a lot of people know it by Canva. Let's dive into it. Let's search for a resume. I'm sure a lot of people know it, but Canva is used to make a lot of things like posters, Facebook posts, Instagram reels, Instagram stories. Okay, let's search. Okay, let's see. Let's click on resume. There are a lot of templates which we can use, and of course they're fully customizable. You just have to drag and drop on the canvas. Next. Okay, you can add text. Of course you have to edit the resume, right? So you can add your own information, and you can even upload your photos, images to the resume. And you have to sign in order to upload your photos, so make sure to sign up. If you have an account, you just have to sign in. See, you have to sign in. Okay, let's move on. let's let's see which resume should we use. Okay, let's go with this simple one. Yep. Okay, let's zoom in. These are the elements which we can use in the elements. Yeah, see, those elements can be used to make the resume more interactive, and it makes your resume look good more than the others. Okay, let's zoom in. Let's see the photo. Yeah, that's where you can upload your photo. You can just delete the existing one. You just have to drag it there. You drag your photo and let's change name. As I said, those are customizable templates. Let's use a channel name, Oh Lord Momo. And those are the contacts which the employers use to contact you, and your introduction under the profile section, and education, experience, and your skill set, and your languages that you can speak. If the information of the resume doesn't fit one page, you can just add another page. See, yeah, that's the add page button. Yeah, you just have to add the new page and just use a new design, or you can just use a existing design by copying style. Yeah, that's the copy style button. You just have to copy the style and use it on your second page. And see, those are the animations if you want to make a video resume. You can toggle the alignments. You can even assign numbers to the text. You can make it bold, italic, and you can change the color also. Let's see. And you can even increase the font size. And there are a lot of font styles. I'm sure one can use what they like. And let's see, you can share and download the resume. Okay, you can just upload it into a Google Drive, WhatsApp it, and the most important thing, you can just post it in your LinkedIn profile. Yeah, as you know, a lot of things can be made in this Canva: posters, landscape, or portrait, postcards, gift certificates. Okay, let's move on. And that's it. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want more videos like this, you just have to comment.